Igbo Christians look at and try to understand, or what they call the Chi, is the guardian angel. But the function of the guardian angel is so very benign and little compared to the function or what the Chi is. In Igbo spirituality and cosmology, the concept of Chi is simply your individual creator. What creates you? Chi now becomes a direct aspect of Okike, the direct aspect of creation, which exists on its own and has decided to create you as a person, create you with a particular or different kind of a cosmic purpose. Now, this explains what our ancestors means by Ofunde Namu Manofuchi Adeke. This means that we all have our different purpose, our different akalowa, things that we are supposed to do. Now, the Chi entity or the Chi energy does not just exist on its own. The Chi comes with Ezumezu, and now Ezumezu includes your Awu. Ezumezu includes your Ndichi. The Ezumezu includes your Dimiri. The Ezumezu includes your Ndotu. Now, all these energies come together, becomes Chi Ezumezu. Now, what do they do here? They are now designed to, their function here is now to guide you, to lead you, to be the direct access, or to become the intermediary between you and Okike. Now, what does this mean now? Now, how Christians believe that if you want to access, or if you want favor through God, from God, you'd have to pass through his son, Jesus Christ. Now, this is what happens here now. To us here, our direct interaction is through our Ezumezu and our Chi. Now, this kind of interaction now goes towards the Okike, or the God factor. Now, what happens here is that as an Igbo woman, as an Igbo man, you cannot do without your Chi. You cannot exist without these elemental factors that our ancestors has created to guide us, because already these entities have helped us to basically assign a cosmic role and a cosmic function for us. Now, once you're doing things that are not under what you're supposed to do as a person, or under doing something, or you're living your life in a certain way that does not entail your Chi's mandate, you're going to have problems in that area. You're not going to function properly, and you're not going to operate well, because you're not doing what you're supposed to do. That's why our ancestors believe in Ebago. Once a child has been given birth to, the first thing our ancestors are going to do is Ebago, Amaronye Noriowa. Who is this reincarnating spirit? And they welcome that spirit back into the land of the living. Awale. Now, what this is supposed to do for you now is supposed to guide you, is supposed to help you throughout your life endeavor. They also call it Esocha Ozo, to clear a person's path. Now, once they are clearing your path by acknowledging your spiritual forces, now this means that as an individual throughout your life, you're going to have problems, yes, but you're going to be aided and guided properly, but by not just the Chi factor, but your Ezumezu as a whole. Follow me for more if you want to learn about Igbo spirituality and cosmology.